Good morning everyone. My name is Ayandeep Shivam. Our school name is Sipazar HSN MP School. Our project name is Electrical Safety System for Prevention of Short Circuits During Rain. Our project under the theme of Atmanirbhar Bharat. We use tools like wires, cardboard, glue, battery and colors. Problem is during rain seasons, water often enters electrical distribution poles and transformers, causing short circuits, power failures, and sometimes electricians' hazards. These incidents risk both public safety and property. There is a lack of automatic protection systems to cut power or alert authorities when electrical faults occur due to moisture or water contact. Causes of the problem: water leakage into electric poles and open junction boxes during rain, absence of insulation or protective covers on electric poles, delay in manual response to short circuit incidents. Effects of the problem: damage to transformers and other electrical components, power interruptions affecting homes, schools and businesses, environmental and fire hazards due to uncontrolled short circuits. Places where this problem is found: other places in this surrounding electric poles in public areas are often exposed to weather and rainwater, leading to frequent short circuits. Who all are facing this problem? General public using roads and footpaths, electrical maintenance workers, local power supply departments.